Hi guys, this is Miss Remy. Welcome back to my channel. If it's your first time here, welcome, and thank you so much to my current subscribers. You all are appreciated for supporting me every time I post a video. And as you know, I have changed my post day from Thursday to Friday now. So every Friday, tune in for a brand new video. Also, I may be able to start posting videos on Tuesdays. Let me know if it's something that you'll be interested in, because it will not be hair videos. It will be different things because there's more to me than just hair. Okay, let me know in the comment section below if you are for it. Okay. As you know, I've been looking for apartment in New York, and that process has been so stressful and so discouraging. And I've stopped looking. My friend and I are also looking for apartments, so she's actually found this apartment online and we went to see it. So she actually saw the video first, and when we got there, it was exactly that, because we were just lied on the website. Okay, and it was exactly what was in the video, so we really appreciate that. Let me know. This is a 2-bedroom apartment. Okay, the neighborhood was really nice. It's a 2-family home. Okay, so that was in the 2nd floor. Let me know in the comment section below how much you think they are asking for this apartment. Let me know. And another thing, let me know if this is fair. The person who's I don't know, in charge of this support thing that to post these apartment or the video online, asking for 1 month rent fee. Like, man, you were not even there. We struggled to open the doors, and why should you be paid that much money just to tell us where the keys were? Let me know in the comment section below, because I just, it didn't make any sense to me. Okay, so this was very nice to just see how, like, people wasn't lying and the video was true, because like landlords in New York now, the brokers, they're like, the apartment has floors, there's 2 big windows, oh, and there's a bathroom that you should be able to take a bath. Hello. These are the things that should come in an apartment. No? Well, guys, let me know in the comment section below. Let me know how much they're asking, because I'm gonna let you guys know the price at the end of the video. Okay? And if you haven't subscribed to this channel, please subscribe and become part of this family by clicking the bell notification and like this video. Okay? And this one's supposed to be the master bedroom, and as you can see, it's not a closet in there, and this is the closet that they are providing for that room. Thank you guys for watching. I really appreciate your support. Don't forget to have a joyful, a peaceful, a wonderful, and a blessed day, weekend. I'll see you in the next video. And the price they were asking for, which I thought was a great price, $1,800. I was so shocked, okay? But for some reason, there were like other complications. Hey, but see you guys.